Hello, good morning. My name is Gifstar. So this morning I'll be teaching you on how to promote that product that you say. It might be hair, it might be body cream, it might be coaching services, it might be any service that you render through WhatsApp ads. Follow me. But before we get started, go to my YouTube channel, click on subscribe. Go to my TikTok page, click on subscribe or follow. Then go to my Facebook page and click on follow. The reason why you are subscribing, following is for you to get more updates, to get more coaching classes free of charge. These coaching classes that I release on my YouTube channel, on my Facebook page, on my TikTok page are classes, are things that people pay money to get, but I'll be giving it to you free of charge. So let's get started. So when you go to remember, when you want to run an ad, you use WhatsApp business app. You don't use your personal WhatsApp. So in your WhatsApp business app, you will see the advertise section. Let's go back. See this place. You will see if you are new to WhatsApp business, or if you are trying to, run an advert for the first time, you will see advertise. But because I have sent an advert before now, that is the reason why I'm seeing manage ad. So I'm going to click on this manage ad. I'm going to see, if you look at the manage side, it's showing an ad that I just created recently that is under review, and that review takes for 24 hours, and after then I'll be notified if the review is completed. But our focus this morning is to create an ad this morning. So we click on create ad. So for you to create an ad, you are going to look at your company name. My company name is US Multi Services Limited. So for you to create an ad is either you have your images in your catalog that you can use to create an ad, or you go to your gallery and upload images or video that you can use to create an ad. So if you want to go to your gallery, you can just click on this and click on next. It takes you to your gallery where you choose your photos or videos you want to use for the ad. But because I already have my images in my catalog, I'm going to click on my catalog. I'm going to go to next. So these are my coaching packages for courses. I coach people, I teach people on how to earn from freelancing sites and working remotely. So these are the different packages. So I can choose either of them, or I can choose any of them, or I can choose both. So I'm choosing this and I click on this sign. Once I click on it, it will ask me what is the description, so that it can lead to more customer conversation. I can say okay, I'm writing my description: earning in dollars in less than 24 hours from clients and companies. And once I write it, I save it. Are you seeing that? So I have already chosen the images I'm going to use for this ad, and I click on next. Remember, as we continue, if you've not subscribed on my YouTube channel, go to my YouTube channel right now and click on subscribe to get more videos like this, to get more coaching update like this, free of charge, where you can learn without paying any of these people outside there, on how you can, get profit in your business. Also go to my TikTok channel and click on follow or subscribe, and go to my Facebook page and follow me for more updates. So right now, let's get back to, our coaching class. So it's going to bring up my audience. Choose who should see this ad. So I can go to this place and choose, maybe I want the whole Nigeria to see my ad. I click on Nigeria. Once I click on it, it's going to bring Nigeria. I click on this. I have chosen the whole Nigeria, and when I go back, I will see that it has chosen the whole Nigeria. But if I don't want the whole Nigeria, I want my ad to convert, to focus to particular, set of people. I can say, okay, let me choose Port Harcourt, Nigeria. Port Harcourt people. Those are the people I want them to see my ad. So once I type it, you will see we have different areas in Port Harcourt. If you just want people in Rumokuta to see your ad, you just choose Rumokuta, Rivers State, Nigeria. But I don't want only Rumuokota people to see my ad. I will choose the whole of Port Harcourt, Nigeria. Once I choose it like this, I click on the back icon. Once I click on the back icon, you will see the next thing is the ages. So I can choose, okay, once I draw this thing back, it goes down to the ages. Once I draw it forward, it goes forward to the ages. So I can say, okay, I want 18 years people. If you notice, as I'm drawing this, it is moving, it's showing. So I want 18, the age of 18 and the age of, let's say, 60 years to see this ad. Are you seeing that? So you see 18, you see 60 years. So look down now. It's going to show you the estimated number, the estimated reach of people for this ad. It's showing me in Port Harcourt, Nigeria, it's showing me 21.2K to 61.5K people will see this ad. If I just want to target only female, I'll choose female. If I just want to target only male, I'll choose male. But if I want to target all, if you notice, as I'm choosing any of these, the estimated reach is changing, but I want to target all. I'll click on all and I click on next. Are you seeing that? So the next phase is going to show me is the budget and the duration. What is my budget? So on WhatsApp ads, you cannot choose anything less than 1,606 dots 30 kobo. You cannot choose anything less. So the less amount there is 1,606. So if you have money, if your budget is too much, you can increase this. You can say, okay, my budget is 9,602 daily, and you can choose the number of days by going down or by going up. But WhatsApp will recommend, the particular amount that can make your ad to convert very well for you. But that does not mean that you cannot go below or you cannot go higher. So if you notice, I say, okay, I want to spend 9,602 daily for 13 days. If you go down here, it's going to show you your total budget. It's showing me that for me to spend 9,602 daily for 13 days, the total amount I'm going to spend is 124,826. But that's not what I want to spend. So I'm going to reduce it down to the lowest, and I'm going to reduce this down to let's say 1 day. You understand? So are you seeing that? It's showing me 1.7K to 4.9K people are the people I'm going to reach for 1 day. I click on next. So are you seeing that we are getting ready, to create our ad? So the next thing that is remaining is add funds. So if you've not added funds before, you are going to click on add funds here. It's going to take you where you can, upload your payment details. So now, why you are seeing 4,500 is because it's the last ad I created that I was charged 4,500. But for you, you are going to see something blank here. You are going to, put your own amount. So because we did want that, we are going to click on 1,600 to change that. You understand? But in this ad payments, please click on Naira payments with MasterCard and Visa Pay You. That is what you are supposed to click on. But if it does not work for you, you can go ahead and click on debit or credit card. But what is recommended is Naira payment with MasterCard and Visa, because you are in Nigeria, we use Naira. So I've already clicked on that. So I click on next. So it's going to process. But peradventure that your own does not allow you, you understand, you can go to Play Store, you can download Meta Ads Manager. Meta Ad Manager, especially for those that their Facebook is not restricted. Like somebody like me, my Facebook is restricted. So if I go and click on my Meta Ad Manager, it's going to show me that my Facebook has been disabled, it has been banned. But if your own is not restricted and you cannot pull through using this method I showed you, then you can go ahead and download Meta Ad Manager, and you can process your payment. Is another option. But for me, I'm continue. I'll click on continue. Once I click on continue, is going to bring out a place, where I can put in my card details. I can put in the card holder name, and I can put in, the month on the card, the year, and the CVV, and I click on pay. But I want to, put a disclaimer here. It's not compulsory for you to be the owner of the card. If you don't have funds in your card and your sister or your spouse have funds in their card, you can use their card to make this payment. So once we put these details, it's going to show us that our funds has been funded. So the Facebook has received our fund. So the next step will be to create our ad. So I'm going to, take this thing back so that we can go back to, the create ad site. Let's go to create the ad. So let me click on this. So let's say I have funded and the fund has come in. You understand? The next thing I will click on is to click on create ad. So, but because I don't want this, I'm not going to create the ad. So, that is how to create an ad. So let me go back to what I showed us on Meta, yes. So if you download this Meta Ads Manager, it's going to show you, whether your account is restricted or not. Like my own, if you notice, it's showing me that my account is disabled. Let me see if I can reopen it again. It's going to show me that your ad account is restricted, is disabled, so I cannot run. So I can go and check what happened, what made my account not to be restricted. It can show me that when they wanted me to do my identity, I failed to do it. So that is the reason why my account is restricted. But if your account is restricted, you can also recover your account. But mine was a peculiar case because I had something that made me not to, do it at the required time. So that is how to create an ad. That is how to create an ad. I'm sorry for that. That is how to create an ad using your WhatsApp, to promote your product, to promote your services. I hope you learned a lot from this particular video. Remember, for you to get more updates from my page, from my channel, click on the subscribe button. I teach a whole lot of things in my YouTube channel, in my TikTok page. And I also want to say, if you want to learn how to make dollars within 24 hours without breaking borders, without having a visa, you want to start earning in dollars as a job seeker, as a corp member, as an entrepreneur, as a business, or you are an employee that have a job but you want to start earning dollars at night during the weekend, legally, without breaking the policy of your company, without losing your job. Reach out to me and I'm going to give you the different packages where you can purchase the package that will make you to start earning in dollars in less than 24 hours. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more updates. Cheers. I will see you in the next video.